Woohoo! Marcy here. This is from MandyLynnPlans. I like that. It says Plan With Me, Carpe Diem, all the days of the week in her script writing. So I think, I'm trying to remember if this is a $2 Tuesday item. Let me check. Marcy, thank you so much for your support. And I just want to real quick move out. Yes. Okay, this was not a $2 Tuesday order. This is, oh, okay. This was some dailies. I remember finding these. They were almost sold out. They were on the out of stock list, and they're just floral dailies for the Hobonichi weeks. And so I added those to my cart because I was just adding these Hobonichi weeks, a kit, and it has some top and bottom washi, some boxes, day of the week, and numbers. So this is one kit for the Hobonichi weeks with some cute little snowflakes. And then this was last item in stock, so I just added it to my cart, and it is dailies. So then there's a couple freebies. I think I already shared the $2 Tuesday. Or maybe I didn't share my $2 Tuesday package. So thank you card. And then I love these little script or doodle leaves, black. And then these script headers say goal, 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 goal. Got some goals. And some events and to-dos. And this is adorable. This is for February. It says, hello February. We have some florals, a little National Pizza Day. Kindness changes everything. Is it spring yet? Date night and call loved ones. Oh, I love that. Okay, so this is my little freebie pack. MandyLynn is so gracious to always include that in my order, and your order too as well. So I'm excited. Anytime I get Happy Mail, I'm excited. So can I just share something amazing with you? If you have ordered from many sticker companies and you try to open your plastic envelope and you can't slide your stickers back in there because there's a row of sticky glue across here and they stick. One thing about MandyLynn's bags that I just truly appreciate is the sticky is here. It's not on the flap. So if you try to insert a sticker kit back into the bag, it's not sticking to this flap. And I really appreciate that. I don't know if you noticed that, if those little nitpicky things matter to you, but just sharing in case that's important. Ta-da! Thank you for spending some of your precious moments with me. You have a blessed day.